Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Proffisy 16-inch LCD writing tablet. This is a writing tablet that is meant to replace your pen and paper style of writing. It's a 16-inch writing tablet. This comes with easy writing technology. It's durable, it saves eyes, it's one key clear, portable and also non-radiative. So the idea is that you replace your pen and paper style writing with this and you'll be saving a lot of papers, therefore saving a lot of trees. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather. So over here it's written, the model number is ZH16, input is DC 5 volt, battery capacity is 200 mAh. So basically this particular writing tablet comes with a battery that has a 200 mAh capability, and it can be charged externally using a micro USB charging cable, which I'll show you in a while. Net weight is 300 grams. It's super lightweight, by the way. So let's open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you find right off the bat. We have this is what it looks like. You also have a stylus right over here, a white colored stylus. This is what you'll use to write on this particular device, like so. There, it's as simple as that. Let me show you the tablet now. I will take it out of this plastic protective case. And we also have a user manual right over here. Let's take a look at that first. So this says Proffisy 16-inch rechargeable writing tablet user manual. So everything that you want to know, all the instructions are given over here. I'll leave it over here. And this is the 16-inch writing tablet in question. Okay, so this is the right way to hold it. There are two buttons on the top. One says clear, the other says lock. So the idea is if I lock it, okay, so it says if I press it once, it turns red, which means that it's now locked. So if I write on it, okay, I can still write on it, but I won't be able to erase it. So you can't erase it. But if I press it again, it goes green. Now I can erase it. So there you go. I'm going to lock it for now because I don't want any mark on it. At the back, we have this particular pattern. It's basically aimed for kids. So it's a pattern and design that will appeal to kids primarily. We also have a secondary stylus that comes with this particular writing tablet. It's kind of hidden in this compartment right away. It's a very nice touch. So in case you lose this one, you can resort to this to write or draw or whatever you want. So the way you use pen and paper is how you use this LCD writing tablet. So if you want to write, say, suppose I want to write hello and welcome to digits. So let's just write that. So another thing that you'll notice is that it comes with a color gradient as well. It comes with it basically goes from blue then to green, yellow, and then back to green and yellow again. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a color gradient that right over here. So the more you write, the more color you will see. Okay, let's clear it again. And not just writing, you can draw stuff as well. So suppose I want to draw a box or maybe a house. Let's draw a house. That's a better example. So I can draw a house over here. I can draw some trees as well. So you get the idea. This is a very fun tool, primarily aimed at kids and also for other purposes as well, but it's good for kids primarily, and any age, person of any age can use it. It's a really fun tool. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Proffisy 16-inch LCD writing table. Thank you for watching.